Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm working on this 2015 Jeep Cherokee. This Jeep had some damage in the right rear door right above the molding here that we can see and up into the body line, as well as some damage into the right quarter panel there right at the very front where it meets the door. The customer wasn't concerned with the quarter so much because it was real minor wave and stuff. They just wanted the door improved to where it wasn't a big eyesore. Here's a look at what the damage looks like under a professional paintless dent repair light. As you can see, it's quite a bit extensive now. With white, it's pretty forgiving on the outside looking at it, but here we are looking at it with our light on it, and you can see the real effects of the damage. Here we're going to go ahead and move the light to the other side so you can see it from a different angle as well. We're going to start out on this damage with the glue pulling method, and we'll finish it off with your traditional standard tools to get the final details. Stay tuned to watch the finishing results. All right, here we are again, just taking a look at the finishing results here. We've got a little side-by-side action here with the professional paintless dent repair light showing the reflection as well as the natural finish light. As you can see, the finishing results, it came out really, really great. The customer was very happy with the results and whatnot on it. This is definitely a really good repair for paintless dent repair because there was no need to repaint that door for the damage that was done to it. The customer opted not to get a plastic trim piece there that has a little scuff on it. They weren't really concerned about it, but that would be about the only thing you could do to it to make it, an absolute perfect repair. So if you've got similar damage in your vehicle, go ahead and give us a call at 605-595-4061. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for watching.